loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Tablescape Sunday, and it is another collaboration being presented by Divas Dynasty. Now, Divas Dynasty consists of, if you don't know already, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, which she is our host for this Tablescape Sunday. Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Alberta, Mysterious Alberta, Cynthia of Cynthia She's So Blessed, and myself, Geraldine of Diva Decorating. Now guys, what we do is we come together every other Sunday of the month and we present to you different themed tablescapes. And this is all so we can help each other's channels grow and help you grow your channel. And to share our ideas and share inspiration for each other. Now, this Sunday's tablescape, Tammy wanted us to do a crystal clear tablescape. She wanted us to decorate our tables with crystal clear items, or if you don't have crystal clear items, you could also just use your clear items, which is mostly what I did. I mostly use my clear items because I don't have a lot of crystal pieces. So guys, I really had to do mine at the last minute because I didn't know what I was going to come up with, but my tablescape is simple, and I did use mostly crystal clear, as I said, and let me know what you think of how I did. So, let's get this party started, and I'll come back at the end and explain to you everything of how I put my tablescape together. Okay, loves, let's go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay guys, I'm going to start right here with my table. So happens I have a glass table, so it is definitely see-through, so that was a good start for me. So as you can see, I have a clear table. So I have my wreath right here, charger, and it is silver, and I got this online, something I already had. And as you can see, I have my clear plate here, and it's from the Dollar Tree. And I have me just a clear bowl, something very simple and easy. I have my silverware there from the Dollar Tree I already had. So only thing I spent on this table was for the bowls because I didn't have any clear bowls. So I got 4 of those, and there are 4 place settings, as you can see. And all of them are the same. For my centerpiece here, this is just some silver satin material that I already had. And as you can see, I didn't have a chance to iron it out or anything. But I decided to put the bling wrap going on each side of the material to make me a table runner. And for my centerpiece, I have a glass dish. That's something I already had. And I have this vase right here. And I have these kind of purplish, mahogany, I guess, colored orchids. And they are faux orchids. And those are from Joann Fabric. And then I just decided to use my crystal water glasses, and I decided to put some tea lights in them. And I have my clear wine glasses right here with one of those satin silver napkins. And over to the side right here, I thought this would be perfect. I usually use these during the Christmas season, but because this was a crystal clear tablescape, I decided this would be a nice addition for this thing as a crystal ball. So I can tell the future. And I have one on this side, and I have one on the opposite side. So guys, that's how my tablescape came out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go over to the playlist. I will leave the link down below, and I will leave all of Divas Dynasty channel links in my description box. Make sure you watch that playlist. Make sure you give everyone some love. I want to thank the host, Tammy, and I want to thank all of Divas Dynasty. So until next time, guys, bye-bye, my loves.